So I'm loving this discussion because of that. So I'm not saying you're wrong here, Jay. They can be complicated in C and Java, but the skill is in knowing the class that you need and why. Like, what do you need it to do? Where is it going to inherit from? And what libraries each individual class needs. Like that's the skill, right? Everything else is just a ChatGPT prompt, right? The stuff that comes below that, right? But thanks for that, Jay. Good insight there. Leon Lim says, the word you mentioned you've forgotten. Okay, thank you for that, Leon. No, it's not recursions. It's control statements. That's what it was. It's control statements, right? If statements, else, case statements, they're known as control statements. That's what it is. So learn how to declare a variable, learn your control statements, learn your loops, and learn your inputs and outputs, right? How do I get from the keyboard? How do I push out to the screen? If you learn those 4 things, or if you think about programs in those 4 things, you should be able to go from language to language. But thank you for that, Leon. The word I was thinking about was actually control statements. You see, guys, I'm an old man. I forget these things. So sorry about that, but yeah, control statements is what I was looking for. Alan says I'm okay. Okay, Alan, good to hear that you're okay. Let us know if you need help over there. Leon says, just stumble on this channel. Greetings from Malaysia. Oh, wonderful. Wonderful, Leon. Thanks for joining us. Hopefully you found me on one of the YouTube suggestion pages or something, because that's where they say you're supposed to be if you're running a good stream or something. But thanks for joining us, Leon. I think it's pretty late in Malaysia for you, so thanks for staying up with us. I'm going to be trying to run more Asia-friendly streams. I did that 2 weeks ago, and it went really well. It was actually a pretty good turnout. So I might do that again this week. So look out for that, Leon. Maybe some more Asia-friendly times for my streams. All right, guys. So I'm looking through the chat. I think I've hit on just about every question, but I'm loving the discussion that we're having regarding the classes and the different languages and things like that. Really insightful stuff, guys. Thanks so much for that. A lot of fun. Ever since last week, the chat has been coming so strong with the questions. You guys have been super strong on some of these questions. I love it.